Discover the charm of picnic spot, unveiling the essence of leisure. Hello everyone, welcome to today's English learning journey. In this video, we will dive into the fascinating world of the phrase, picnic spot. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding such phrases is key to enhancing your language skills. So, let's embark on this educational adventure together. Picnic spot is a phrase composed of two words, picnic and spot. A picnic is an outing or occasion that involves taking a meal outdoors, typically in a scenic, natural setting like a park or by a lake. The meal is usually informal and enjoyed in a relaxed atmosphere. The word spot in this context refers to a particular place or location. So, a picnic spot is a place that is deemed ideal or perfect for having a picnic. Such spots are usually picturesque, tranquil, and have facilities like tables or open spaces to sit and enjoy. A good picnic spot often has several key features. Natural beauty. It's usually in a place with beautiful surroundings, like a park, by a river, in a forest, or near mountains. Accessibility. The spot should be relatively easy to get to, with paths or roads leading to it. Facilities. Basic amenities like picnic tables, public restrooms, and trash disposal areas are often present. Safety. It should be in a safe area, away from hazards like busy roads or dangerous wildlife. Space. There should be enough room to sit, play, and enjoy the meal comfortably. Let's see how to use picnic spot in different sentences. We found an ideal picnic spot by the lakeside, shaded by tall oak trees. Can you recommend a good picnic spot around here for a family outing? The park is famous for its numerous scenic picnic spots. By using this phrase in various sentences, you can enhance your conversational skills and sound more like a native speaker. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, picnic spot. Remember, language learning is an exciting journey filled with new discoveries. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using phrases like picnic spot confidently in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.